Welcome to the Affinity Universe tutorial. In this guide, we will walk you through how to install the Affinity Designer program and how to set up a split screen for your class. First, we will explain how to install the Affinity Designer program. Please open your internet browser. In the search bar, type Affinity and run the search. From the search results, click the official Affinity website, which has a green icon. Once you enter the website, click the green square button labeled Get Affinity. On the next page, click the download button. Now select the version that matches your computer. If you are using a Mac, click the button on the left. If you are using a Windows computer, click the button on the right. If you are using the latest version of Windows, simply click the top option for the latest version to begin installation. When the download is complete, run the installation file and follow the instructions to finish installing the program. After installation is complete, open the program. When the login screen appears, click Login or Get Started to complete the setup. Now we will explain how to set up a split screen for your class. First, please check your email inbox. You should have received a class invitation email. Open the email and click the link inside to enter the class space using guest mode. Once you enter the class page, please turn on both your microphone and camera. If a message appears asking for permission, make sure to click Allow. Next, enter your name. Please use the name you will use during the class. After entering the class, click on the teacher's name for the current session to join the class. Once you have completed these steps, your class setup is ready. Now please open the Affinity Designer program. Click and hold the title bar at the top of the program window, then drag it to the right edge of your screen. Next, select your internet browser window and drag it to the left edge of the screen. Your browser will then be fixed to the left half of the screen. Now you can watch the instructor on the left side and work into Affinity Designer on the right side. If you also enable screen sharing, the class will run even more smoothly. This concludes the Affinity Universe tutorial guide. Thank you.